Hello YouTube family, a very good morning from our kitchen once again. Welcome. If you're tuning in for the very first time, I want to say a very big welcome. You've been supporting the channel for some time now. I want to say thank you for your support. If you're tuning in for the very first time, please kindly subscribe, and also if you like this video, at the end of it, give it a like and also leave a comment so we get to know each other. Also press the bell icon for more notifications. Today my wife is making something special in the kitchen, and it's a lemon cake. I don't know how many of you guys like cakes, but my wife has actually taught herself how to bake. A couple of years ago, she used to teach herself how to bake, and sometimes she would bake and then give me to sample. The cakes were as hard as rock. But now, honestly, she is the best baker. That I can admit. Believe me. So here she is.
Hi YouTube family, how is everybody? Hope you're all well. Today we are baking a lemon cake.
Okay. So she's doing her mixtures. You've just put in that, what have you put in there?
So here I've got butter,
Yep.
sugar and oil. Instead of using a whole cup of butter, I use half butter and about 85 milliliters of oil.
Okay.
And then
Is that just ordinary oil?
Yeah, ordinary vegetable oil.
And then what else did you put in the sugar?
Switch on the oven.
And so she's just switching on the oven so it warms up before she puts the cake inside there. It's a gas stove. What's the temperature like?
Gas mark 4.
Okay. So she's just doing the mixture now. So the other ingredients are, she's got 4 eggs over there.
3 eggs.
Oh, sorry, 3 eggs. My apologies. So, and a couple of lemons. How many lemons have you got there? 4?
2 lemons.
2 lemons.
Cut in half.
Sliced in half, and some butter. Then you got, what's this? Baking powder. And then you got vanilla something here. Yep. Then there's some flour in there. Is this self-raising flour?
Yes, that's self-raising.
Self-raising flour. And also she has got some caster sugar over there. So these are some of the ingredients she's using to make the lemon cake. As you can see now, she's grating the skin of the lemon, and that adds, you know, the smell of lemon to this particular kind of cake. She's actually going to squeeze the lemon. You usually squeeze the lemon after you finish, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
Onto the cake. You drill some holes. All right. Okay. All right then. And this is the baking tray that she's going to use. She's put, what she did here, she put some, she smeared it with some butter, and then put this baking, what do you call this? Baking paper. And then once she's done the mixture, she's going to pour it in there. As you can see, she's adding some vanilla in there now. And you're going to add a bit of flour in there. So apart from the lemon cake, she's also decided to make ifitumbua, ama fritters. Some of you fellow Zambians who know there in Zambia, ifitumbua, and they call them fat cakes in South Africa. She's making them. And these are eggless ones. There's two types. You can use eggs, and then you can, skip the eggs. So this is a mixture. She's put self-raising flour there, and she's putting some baking powder. Have you put some sugar in there?
Yeah, I put sugar already.
Is that castor sugar?
Yeah.
And some milk, a bit of that baking powder, and she's making the mixture. So we're gonna have some fritters and some lemon cake. So guys, as you can see, the golden brown color there, I'm telling you, is properly cooked now. And what she's going to do in a minute is she's going to put some lemon on top of it. But before that, she's going to, as you can see, she's going to poke some holes on it so that when she pours the lemon on it, it just sips in like you can see right now. She's got a mixture of the lemon, and this is what she does. She just pours it on top and let it sit and soak in. This is what is known as a lemon cake, guys. And later on, she might just put even a top up of icing on top. And now, guys, I can hear the oil actually boiling over there. Very shortly, we're going to have vitumbuas. The fat cooks are going to go. The mixture has already been done, and the fat cooks are going to go into that oil. But just a few more minutes, and then it will be time to put them in there. Testing 1, 2. Trying it out and see. Not yet. Still needs to be warmed up. Icing has been placed on this lemon cake, and I believe somebody wants to sample it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that deliciousness. Whoo, lovely. Lovely. That's ecstatically beautiful and looks so delicious. Right, let's see the sample. Tell us how it tastes like.
Very lemony.
Nice one.
Just the way I like it.
Fantastic. So that's the lemon cake all done, guys. The lemon cake has been done. You've seen the vitumbuas also have been done, the fritters. So as you can see, the fritters are all complete, and I'm telling you, I'm just gonna sample one and taste how it tastes like. Wow. Wow. This is what you call bellissimo. I'm telling you, these vitumbuas, the combination of the mixtures of all the ingredients, I'm telling you, it came out so very nice, very beautiful. I can't describe it. But wherever you're watching from, I hope you salivate. And also subscribe to the channel. For those of you guys who have been supporting the channel for a long time, I want to say a big thank you for your support. Continue supporting. Share the videos and always leave a comment. Let's get to know one another. Don't forget to press that bell icon. It's adios amigos and bye-bye.